when and why exactly did the Ryder Cups begin?
Why did it begin? Well, I need to go back to that where I started, about the PGA being formed in 1901, the growth of the game. A gentleman by the name of Sam Ryder, who was born in 1858, didn't take up golf to the age of 50. And the reason he'd taken up golf was he was in business, had been not keeping the best of health, and funny enough his local minister suggested they see his doctor, and between them they suggested they should take up golf because he needed to have more rest and recreation. I probably think in today's world they just said he was suffering from stress. They didn't understand it back in the 1920s. So Sam became a passionate supporter of golf, you know, obsessed almost. You know, that word fanatic, you know, the word fan means fanatic, and I think that's where Sam came from. So, and he joined the local golf club, the Verulam Club in the town of St Albans, and where he had been the mayor of the town, where he'd been heavily involved in, you know, built a church for the people of the town, where he employed several people. He was the first employer ever to pay his workers sickness pay and give them holiday pay. So that, and going back to, you know, 1920s, that was an amazing step forward. So he's very much a liberal person, but he loved his sport. He'd been a great cricketer in his young days, and he turned to golf like many people do as you get older. Some of these sports where you got to run become too difficult, so you want to do something else, and golf's everyone's second sport. And so Sam became passionate about it, and as I say, we'd played the match in 21. There was another match then set up in 26 at Wentworth for a trophy called the Wentworth Bowl, and that trophy still sits down in the golf club at Wentworth. And Sam talked to some of the players, the senior players talked to Sam about, you know, it'd be great if we could play these matches more often. And Sam said that he would give this trophy, which we see today, and they could play every second year. And that's a question I would have loved to, you know, Sam Ryder died 10 years before I was born, but I would have loved to have asked him the question, why did you say every second year? Because I think that's the magic to the formula. It's not every year because it becomes too familiar, but every second year means you anticipate it more and more and more. So, and the game was growing, as I said earlier, the game was growing fast, and the game was going fast in America by this time as well. And the game really started to grow in America, as I said, between 1875 and 1900 it grew fast in the UK. The same growth then happened in America, mostly because of Scottish and Irish professionals going to America and taking the game with them to the American people. So suddenly they were big into golf as well. And by later in the 1920s then, it was the perfect time to start this match, and Sam was the perfect person to give us the match. And of course the little figure on top of the trophy is the club professional Abe Mitchell, who was Sam Ryder's personal coach at the Verulam Golf Club, and was one of the great players of the day, having won many major golf tournaments. So, and he put this figure on top to represent Abe Mitchell. And Abe Mitchell should have been our captain in the first match in 1927, and sadly took appendicitis and couldn't travel to America because it was played north of Boston. And a fellow called Ted Ray, who was an Open champion, took charge of our team that year. So Mitchell never captained the first match, but he's always the top of the trophy.